So I did this interesting question in my tuition class yesterday, and this was a class 8th ICSE profit and loss question. Found it very interesting, and let's discuss this today. Sumeet bought a plot of land for 2,25,000. So Sumeet had a plot of land. He bought this whole plot for 2,25,000. 25,000. He sold one third of the plot at a loss of 8%. At what percent must he sell the remaining plot in order to get an overall profit of 12%? So let's go through this question line by line. So the full plot is for 2,25,000, which implies that if I divide the plot in such a way that this is one third of the plot and this is two-thirds of the plot, then what I need to understand is that one third of the plot, two-thirds of the plot. The cost price of one third of the plot would be one third of the total cost. And the cost price of the remaining part would be two-thirds of 25,000. I hope this is clear. So there's a plot of land, full plot of land, that is for 2,25,000. So one third of the land would be one third of the cost price, and two-thirds of the land would be two-thirds of the cost price. So one third of the land will have a cost price of 75,000 rupees. So 75,000 rupees, basically this plot of land which he has sold at a loss. This plot of land is for 75,000 rupees. And the rest of the remaining part, this part, this is for 2,25,000 minus 75,000. Now, one and the same. You can calculate by two-thirds of 2,25,000 also, or you can subtract 75,000 from 2,25,000. That will give you the cost price of the two-thirds of the remaining land. So this would be 1,50,000. So till now, what we have understood is that this part of the land, let me change the color for better effect. The one third of the land which he has sold at a loss has a cost of 75,000 rupees. And this remaining part of the land is for 1,50,000. So this should be clear before we, even go to the question which is being asked. Okay. At what percent profit must he sell the remaining plot? This remaining plot of land is this two-thirds of the land, whose cost price is 1,50,000. In order to get an overall profit of 12%. Okay. So let's focus on this one third of the land. What has happened on the one third of the land? This land was bought at 75,000 rupees. It was sold at a loss of 8%. So what does this mean? What this means is that the cost price of one third of the land, we are talking about the one third of the land which he has sold. So the cost price of this land is 75,000 rupees. The loss is 8%. 8% on this cost price of the one third of the land. So the loss would be 6,000 rupees. So in the first transaction that he has made, he has already made a loss of 6,000 rupees. Yeah. Now, so when he is asking that at what percent must he sell the remaining plot of land in order to get an overall profit of 12%, this 12% is on the overall 2,25,000 rupees. This profit will have to cover the loss of 6,000, the loss of this 6,000 also. So what I'm trying to say is that he wants an overall profit of 12%. This overall profit is on 2,25,000. So he wants an overall profit of 27,000. But what you need to understand is that when he sells the rest of two-thirds of the land, when he sells this two-thirds of the land, he will have to make a profit of a total of 27,000 rupees, it will also have to recover the loss which has made of 6,000 rupees. So basically, what we want to do is that the rest of the land should be sold at a profit of 33,000 rupees. The rest of the land, the two-third land, should be sold at a profit of 33,000 rupees so that it recovers the loss of 6,000 rupees which was made on this one-third of the land. I hope the logic is clear. I'll have to sell the two-third of this two-third of the land at a profit of 33,000. Now look closely. The cost price of the two-third of the land is 1,50,000. I have to sell it at a profit of 33,000. So this 33,000 rupees, is the profit at which this two-third of the land has to be sold. So to calculate the percentage profit, basically I have to calculate 33,000 upon 150 multiplied by 100. So this is the profit percent which I want on the two-third of the land. So if I calculate this, uh, uh, this would be the percentage. So 100 and 100, this 100 and this 100. So 15 twos are 30 and 15 twos are 30. So the rest of the land has to be sold at a profit of 22%. This part of the land has to be sold at a profit of 22% so that he gets an overall profit of 12%. So this is a bit complicated question. If you are not understood what I've said, you'll have to review this again. But the crux of the matter is that the one-third was sold at a loss. The other part has to take care of this loss also at an overall profit of 12%.